Welcome to the Broome Community College Library website. Today we will be looking for articles dealing with the Triangle Shirtwaist Fire that took place on March 25th, 1911 near Washington Square in Greenwich Village. Let's begin with articles. We'll begin with Academic Search Complete. This is a full-text database. It has magazines and journal articles. We'll proceed to type in our topic. Now we have 99 results. We may wish to refine our results or limit them. I'm going to check full text. This way I'll expect to receive the full text of articles. I could just as well check scholarly peer-reviewed journals to get authoritative information written by experts in the field. Okay, now let's go ahead. We'll press the update key and it should update our search results. We now have 86 results. As we go down, we start looking at items. The first article, The Triangle Fire Tragedy, Trial, and Triumph, is in litigation. Let's click on that title. And now in the right sidebar, I can have them cite this particular article. And as I go down, you can see there are various style guides. I'm going to choose MLA, and I often recommend to students that they highlight the citation, right-click, and then copy it. If they can have an open Word document in the wings, that would be even better because they could paste the citation into the Word document. One thing to look out for, however, is some of these citations will need to be cleaned up. For example, if you take a look at the second line, it really should be indented 5 spaces. Okay, so now let's take a look at the summary, the abstract. This article presents the author's ideas about the legal issues on the accident at the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory in New York City on March 25th, 1911. Okay. The abstract is actually the summary of the article. So let's go to the full text. And now we'll be able to read the actual article. At this point we can decide to email it to ourselves, print it out, or even save it to our thumb drive or our Z drive. Now let's go back to the library homepage and we'll take a look at a database that deals specifically with history. We'll go to the complete list of databases, history, and we'll then be looking at a database called the Gale World History and Context. This is a specialized history database. We'll put in our topic. And you'll notice there is one item that's referenced. It happens to be in the St. James Encyclopedia of Labor History Worldwide, the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory. I can actually read the article. Encyclopedia articles are wonderful for giving us a synopsis or summary of the topic. Here we have a timeline, a bit of a history, and also images, primary text here. Primary images, sources. We also have news articles showing up in the New York Times. Choosing not to forget what is painful to recall. If we click on the article, this is a retrospective article about the event that took place. And once again, I can use the citation tools to cite it. Or I could choose to print it, or once again, email it to myself or save it to disk. This ends our search. Feel free to ask a librarian should you need more information. We also have on the library's homepage, we have a service called Interlibrary Loan. It's under ILLIAD. ILLIAD is synonymous with interlibrary loan. You can choose to set up an account, which is free. Once you set up the account, it's there. All you have to do is to request books or magazine articles, and the library will get them for you. Thank you for listening, and have yourself a nice day.